Hello and welcome to Easy Microbit Classroom. I'm your Professor Mr. Doi and I'm here to present you Microbit Sound Program. Every Sunday I'm going to introduce seasonal Japanese nursery rhyme and play them using the sound of the latest Microbit models. Now I'm making videos for the autumn season series. Today I introduced Acorn. First, I'm playing this nursery rhyme using the microbit program. Switch the screen. This is a program of this song. This A button pushes the start the music. If you want to play this song, I will show the QR code. This QR code. If you want to play this song, scan the QR code with your smartphone. Then you can play this song by your internet browser on your smartphone. And I will leave this link in this video description for the desktop computer users. Next, I will introduce this nursery rhyme. Many acorns fall when you climb the autumn mountains in Japan. When I was kid, I made a tap by sticking a toothpick into the acorn. Peanut-like nuts come out when you peel the acorns. However, it seems eating the nuts make them deaf. My mother told me that. Next week, I will introduce another nursery rhymes. Thank you for watching this video. See you next week. Bye bye. Thank you.